So let's talk about what's actually happening in the brain and the nervous system. Now, anxiety causes sensitization of everything, right? But the swallowing reflex is what we're talking about at the moment. And anxiety causes sensitization of the swallowing reflex. Sensory nerves, like the glossopharyngeal nerve, send signals to the brain stem, which interrogates them in the swallowing center of the medulla oblongata. In an anxious state, this process becomes overactive and amplified. Normal signals are being amplified, making them feeling overwhelming to the interoception system. Now, over time, this creates something called maladaptive neuroplasticity, or what I'm calling maladaptive neuroplasticity, which is where the brain learns to associate swallowing with danger. The amygdala stores this fear as a strong emotional memory, and the insula and the prefrontal cortex keep your focus on this entire process. Why? To keep you safe. We're telling it it's dangerous through our behaviour. Remember, I talked about those safety behaviours and avoidance behaviours when it comes to eating and this fear of choking. Now, the vagus nerve, which is part of the parasympathetic, should calm this whole process down, but it becomes suppressed by chronic sympathetic nervous system activation, and this makes swallowing feel delayed, uncoordinated, and even temporarily impossible. So you can see that swallowing is a very complex reflex, okay? And the nervous system is integral to this entire process, specifically the autonomic nervous system. Now, in anxiety, over a period of time, this maladaptive neuroplasticity takes place where we associate physical feelings inside of the body or physical behaviours that we're wanting to do, like swallowing. We perceive it all as danger, as dangerous. And the fear response learns to keep us safe, but it only learns that through what we tell it through our behaviour. So in the case of swallowing, the initial fear, which is the catalyst right at the beginning, this fear of choking, generally, it might be fear of the sensations itself, but generally it's fear of choking, starts to grow and grow and grow over time. And as it grows, so too do our safety behaviours and avoidance behaviours. The more we avoid, the more we perform safety behaviours. When it comes to swallowing, the worse it all gets. And sensitization of the nervous system, which causes the signals to fire completely erratically throughout the entire nervous system, causes a complete dysregulation of what is normal autonomic processes of the nervous system.